Hello guys, today's the 155th day of me doing Codeforces every day until reach expert. And to be honest, this evening I actually recorded a pretty short recording, but the Wi-Fi got crashed and I didn't have the internet access in order to do Codeforces, so I have to stop the recording in midway. So currently it is 9:30 in Vietnam and I'm re-recording my video, so let's begin. And yesterday I received a comment from one guy that said that my English is pretty bad or something, like my accent is shit. And to be honest, it hurt me a bit because I got an 8.0 IELTS overall certificate, and to be honest, I'm pretty proud of my English skills in my country, especially in my country, because 8.0 is almost native, and to be honest, I'm really proud of that achievement. But after that comment yesterday, it hurt me a little bit. I know that my accent is not so good, but yeah, I still feel not feel a bit sad, but whatever. So let's do some code forces. I don't know what I should do, to be honest. What should we do here? The contest is tomorrow, right? Tomorrow is the contest, so yeah, I don't think I'm able to do the contest because the Wi-Fi in my hometown is a little bit weak today. So dạ dạ cậu à, vâng vâng ạ. Okay, so it's a little bit noisy down here because I'm in my hometown, right? So it's a bit crowded with my family members, and yeah, so it's a bit noisy, to be honest, but whatever. Okay, so let's try to dig in and try to solve some problems. Let's see what we can do here. Let's do a semi hard problem. I'm not especially in the mood to solve hard problems, so let's do some normal problems, some easy ones. Okay, so this one looks pretty easy with approximately 14,000 people solving it. So let's try to do it. I know that's my mic is a bit catchy, and maybe you guys can hear the karaoke sounds from my neighbors, but let's just ignore it. Okay, a number is called powerful if it is a power of 2 or a factorial. In other words, the number m is powerful if there exists a non-negative integer. A power of 2 or a factorial. In other words, if there exists a non-negative integer d such that, okay, one of these two below, right? Alright, where d is alright. For example, 1, 4 and 6 are powerful numbers because, oh, alright, but are not. Find the minimum number k such that n can be represented as the sum of k distinct powerful numbers. What do you mean? Find the minimum number k such that you are given a positive number n. Find the minimum number k such that n can be represented as the sum of k distinct powerful, or say that there's no such k. What do you mean? I don't understand it. S7 1 plus 6, right? Sum of k distinct number. And can be represented as the sum of k distinct. K is equal to 2. Okay. It's not a valid representation. Have to be distinct. Oh, alright. As you guys can see, n is 10 power 12, so it's a bit too large. So I don't really know what we should do, but let's try to implement or try to think of an approach. Let's just first read the input and then we can think about the problem. Let me open the whiteboard real quick. It's a bit the Wi-Fi is a bit weak here, so it might take some time to load our whiteboard. Alright, 12D or what? M is okay. So we have 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, right? How about this one? We got 1, 1, 2, 6, 24, and 120 or something. Yeah. So what should we do to find the minimum number of k? I'm not sure. I'm not really sure about it, but let's try to figure it out. I'm not sure, man. Let's try to figure it out. I'm not completely sure what we should even do. What should we do here? What should we do here? What should we do here? Okay, so let me ask ChatGPT about several calculations that I can do myself. Okay, so for example, what can I ask? What is oh, that's too much. 30. About this? How about this? 32. Nah, that's too much. How about 15? What about 15? Is how many numbers are there? 6, 9, 12. Okay, so this is perfect. How about this? Let me check again. How about this one? 3, 6, 9. Okay, so 15 is is all right. 15 is all right, right? Okay, 15 is all right. For this, we can get 15. How about this one, the factorial? What is 2 power 32? How much is that? 3, 6, 9, 10. Nah, that's not enough. How about 2 power of 34? How much is that? 3, 6, 9, 11. Not not enough. That's not enough. I think 2 power 35 is alright. Is correct, right? Yeah, this must be correct. No, not exactly, but 3, 6, 9, 11. So 2 power 37, right? I'm not I'm not really sure about it, but yeah. 12. Okay, so about 2 power n, so 30, how much? 37. Uh, which is always larger? Which is larger? Why there are CON? What now? In TMP1 and TMP2, right? Yeah, this must be alright. Temperagie 1 and Temperagie 2. What should we even do here? I'm not really sure about it. Okay, so 15. Let's take off it too long. E minus minus. Uh, okay, so you must write your own function, right? Factorial, let's call it factorial, and inside, and okay, and return Temperagie. Let's change this to 1, alright. And break this one. Alright, how about this one? We need another for loop here, right? 37, 0. Oh, and break. will be 1 and OK2 will be 2. Alright, and mhm. -1, or else what? Answer is 0. Okay, so I hope that we are correct here. I hope so. Okay, I hope that we are correct here. Okay, so this is correct. Hope that we don't get time limit exceeded. I hope so. This is a pretty easy problem if we solve it this way, but I'm not really sure if I got this correct or not. Come on. Okay. Shit. Okay, let's see the test cases. Where did we got this wrong? The first, right in the first number. Oh, right in the first number. So I guess my logic is not that correct. I guess so. It's not the most optimal way, right? 13 and 19. We got 19, but the answer is 13. Max. Okay, so that isn't the correct approach. I guess so. This isn't the correct approach. Alright. Shit. I feel that this is not exactly correct somehow. Yeah, it's not correct. Let's try to increase the numbers a little bit higher. 17 and 39. So maybe here we can get it correct. 18. uh, still incorrect, but let's try again. 18, still 18. So 18 is our final answer. There's something wrong with my code. There's something wrong with my code. So maybe this is not the correct approach. Let's try to think about another approach. Six or 4, 8, 12. How much is this? 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. That's not correct. That's not correct. 14. Shit. That's not good. That's not good at all. Still not correct. 21. Shit. 14. 20. Oh shit. It's not. Somehow it's not correct. It's all long, so why is it not correct? On most systems it will not fit. Alright. 19 digits long. Okay, so 20 is our maximum. Does fit, okay? 20. Factorial of y? I'm not sure about it. 18. Shit. 14. Somehow we still achieve 14 here. What could we got wrong here? What could be wrong here? No idea. Fucking no idea. That's even worse, right? No, actually that's still correct. Yeah. Alright, so let's use that instead of what could be wrong here? Factorial. Okay, so maybe my approach is not that correct. Let's try another approach. Let's try another approach. For example, this 14. Okay. Let's see if there are any overlap or not. Shit. 24, 126, 720, right? Hmm. For example, 128, 25, 12, right? Yeah. What happens now? What if they ask for 260? What if they ask for 260? What happens now? Boom. Takes a maximum. This is the maximum. Boom, erase it. We only got 4 left, right? 4. Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Mm. 2, 3, 4, 7. Still correct. What is wrong here? I couldn't think of another approach. What can we do exactly here? What can we do exactly here? let's think of an test case where all of this is wrong. What could be wrong here? 39. So 38, and then what? 32, right? 6. It's, how about a 10? I think a 10 is pretty decent. 42. How about a 42? 32, 8 and 2. Three numbers, right? 32, 8 and 2. Yeah. Oh, it must be distinct, right? It must be distinct. Oh no, we aren't. Yeah, I'm not sure why. I'm not really sure why. I'm not sure why. Why is my code even incorrect? What could be wrong here? Possible wrong here. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. Let's check again. Uh, what? Okay, this is even shittier. How does it get that long here? What? Factorial E. Oh, that's not great. Still 18. That's not the correct approach, isn't it? Yeah, it's not the correct approach. It's definitely not the correct approach. Let's think about it. What could be wrong here? Maybe backtrack or something? Nah, it shouldn't be backtracking. It can be true. 18 too. Shit, that's not good. So the maximum is 18, right? The maximum possible answer is 17 or 18, yeah. The maximum possible number is 18. So, yeah, the maximum possible number should be 18. Shit. Where did we got this wrong? Not correct at all. It's not correct at all. Yeah, it's not correct. For sure. How? How not? What could have been wrong here? What could have been wrong here? I'm not sure really. I'm pretty sure my code is pretty logic, so maybe we should use backtracking or something. Or something related. Maybe. Might be not. 8. 8589934 How is it? Yeah, how is it equal to each other? Two times. How is it two times the same? That's a problem. Yeah, this one. It's not, that's not correct. That shouldn't be correct, right? That shouldn't be correct. That shouldn't be correct. So what's our, yeah. So that's our problem maybe. That shouldn't be correct. Oh, wait a second. No, not really. There's only 13 in the original answer. What could have been wrong here? Powerful numbers. Okay, we had to peek into the task, guys. We can't just sit here with no no implementation, right? At least I should see the tag of the problem. Why isn't my answer correct? Yeah, it's just basic bit mass and brute force, right? So nothing really complicated. So how didn't I got it? It's just brute force, right? So my approach is not correct. That's for sure. My approach is not correct. Let's think of another approach. What could we have done here? The minimum is 12, right? 12. 6 versus twenty-four, 56, for example, 56. Okay, 32 is out. We have 20, 24 left. Boom, it's dead. Let's try 62. No idea. Fucking no idea. How can my answer be even not correct? Fuck it. Let's try again, guys. Let's try again. How does this even got smaller? I don't understand why. Let's copy it down. Boom. Here is the first test case. Boom. Let's go to the second approach. Boom. Boom. Here is our second answer. What could have been wrong here? Yeah. So the first one is typically the same, but the second one isn't. It's much smaller. So why do we get punished if we get it smaller? Why? How did we even got punished for getting it smaller than usual? 3, 6, 9, 11. 3, 6, 9, 11. How did we got punished for making it smaller than usual? Why? Yeah, this one is typically smaller, right? Why did we got punished for getting it smaller? No idea. This seems more correct, for sure. But why? How could we implement it? And there is still one more. Okay, let's check it with the original case. Wait a minute. Let me check it with the original case. Okay, 0. How did we got 0? How did we even got 0? 6. Oh, okay. So that's the reason why. Fucking no idea, man. 3. Oh, 3. Okay. Let's check. Let's use a map here to check if it's used or not. Used 1, right? Used 1 is 20. 21. Always 1. Yeah. And used 2 is how much? 60. 61, right? Always 1. Alright. Break. Currently I have no idea why we got this wrong, so maybe I should Well, I will continue to do this problem when I got to my uncle's house. Currently, I'm at like a hut in the middle of a bonsai garden, so I don't really have a place to put in my charger. So I will continue to solve this problem when I got to my uncle's house, right? So I will stop the recording now, and I will try to continue doing it when I got back to my uncle's place. So goodbye guys, and see you guys tomorrow. I think this is it for today. Bye bye.